Ayun, hello guys, again, I'm Ralph. I'm from Baguio and I'm a fraghead. And today po, I want to share to you an interesting perfume because it's rare. Ayan, no? So, I'm a collector who loves collecting frags that are rare, hard to find, elusive, no? Yung ilan lang ang meron, no? So, that's one of the joys for me in collecting. And this house, this perfume is from the house called Nishane. Ayan. So, Nishane, no, if we talk about Nishane, for sure you have heard, you have encountered, even siguro you have owned perfumes like Hachivat or Wulong Cha or Fan Your Flames or Annie, no, great frags, no, and yung recently lang, 'di ba, na ni-release yung Meant to Be Seen. No, pero there are perfumes from Nishane na for sure hindi na natin nakikita either because limited lang yung release or they're now discontinued. And for someone who loves collecting perfumes na rare na or discontinued or hard to find, no, it's a joy owning a perfume from a popular house like Nishane, no, and owning an elusive frag from them. So yeah, guys, without further ado, this perfume is called, ayan, so this is called Musica Oud from the house of Nishane. No, and as you can see here, this bottle, no, is the first form, no. I believe this is 2016 and down, no, and Musica Oud, one of the rare releases from the house, no. Actually, papakita ko sa inyo very interesting. No, this comes with this envelope. Grabe, no? Old school to, guys, na envelope. And as you can see, no, these are some of their former releases, no. Ang interesting, no. So yeah, no. And interesting din na parang naka-drawing lang, no, as you can see, parang naka-drawing lang yung Musica Oud, no, kasi this is inspired from a Persian poet or artist called Rumi. So ang galing, guys, no, and you have here the drawing of a musical instrument, Musica Oud nakalagay dito. Tapos you have the notes here na parang nakasulat lang. So this is rare, guys, no, and to keep even itong details na to, even itong presentation na to, it's amazing. No, so yeah, no, Musica Oud from the house of Nishane. Isa pang interesting dito, guys, no. This is the only perfume from the house of Nishane na merong real oud. So guys, this is real oud. There are frags like, for example, Africa Oliphant na may oud pero it's synthetic oud. No, this utilizes real oud, no? So different talaga yung feel niya, no? I would say it's a challenging, it's a fecal take on oud, no? Kasi the intention of the frag, no, is to give contrast, no, or to harmonize between contrasting notes like animalic oud and sandalwood. So this is basically fecal oud, no, and this is cypriol, and it is somehow mellowed down, no, by sandalwood. So the composition is amazing, no, and I would say this is my favorite from the house, no. And again, no, to find a perfume this rare, I can confidently say siguro, no, na ako lang meron nito sa ngayon sa Pinas, this Nishane, no. And again, for a house like Nishane na madalas mapag-usapan, 'di ba, madalas na makita natin, no, sa frag community, owning Musica Oud is an honor, it's a privilege. Lalo, guys, no, this is real oud. Again, nasa real oud era ako. So yeah, guys, no, kayo ano ang you would say rare na frag sa collection ninyo? Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Ingat po.